Welcome to Kids Smart Universe.
Welcome back to learning and exploring another alphabet. Today we're exploring the amazing letter K. Let's discover fruits, vegetables, animals, things and words that start with this special letter. Are you ready, kids?
Yay!
Okay, let's go. First, we find fruits that start with the letter K. K is kiwi. Time to visit the veggie patch. Can you see any vegetables starting with K? Okay, so K is kale. Now let's meet some amazing animals that start with K. K is kitten. K is kangaroo. K is koala. Now, some things and objects that start with K. Kid. Key. Kite. Knee. Kidney. Kitchen. Knife. Kettle. Ketchup. Keyboard. Let's learn some cool words that start with K. Kind. King. Kingdom. Kick. Known. Knowledge. Wow, we discovered so much about the letter K today. Thanks for joining us on this fun adventure. Keep watching Smart Universe for more amazing alphabet adventures.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun learning adventures. See you next time.